I recently learned something about myself, and that is when my life is quiet, when I have less work schedules, then I am very much at calm. I am, very much at peace because I can schedule all my work very nicely, like my spiritual work, my meditations, my practices. Then I can do my work very easily, and I'm like, I'm growing, I'm healing. It's like fun. But when I get more works, at that time, I don't know why, but there is this pattern in my life that at that time exciting things also comes in my life, like trips. And recently, like, before 4 5 months, it was my cousin's wedding, and I was very excited for the wedding from a very long time. Like from 1 year, I was like, oh yeah, after 1 year my cousin is going to get married, and I'm super excited. Like, uh, planning all the dresses, what to wear, everything. And at that time I noticed, by at that month only, I got a lot of work to do, and I got a lot of deadlines, and I have to be like so much in pressure, and it became overwhelmed. And recently also my life was very quite good till May and June half, because I had less work. And by June half, middle, I got more works to do, and there were deadlines. And today is June 30, and I noticed this pattern in me that, recently again I got a trip on 2nd of July to go. So I noticed that when I get more work, when I get this deadline works, then only I attract something exciting that I love to do. And instead of being getting excited for the walk, planning all these things, I get overwhelmed. I'm like, I have to, plan all my dresses, what I have to wear for the trip. I have to do the packing, I have to make videos, I have to make contents, I have to schedule everything, I have to do all the works that I have to do. They are all deadlines, I have to manage everything. And instead of getting excited for the trip, I get pressured, I get overwhelmed. I'm like, I have to do this, I have to do that. So this is the pattern. So right now, just now, I was just thinking, why it's that everything comes in the same time, even my sister's wedding time. And in middle there was also an another trip, and at that time also the same thing happened, that when I get more work to do. Look, I love to get more work opportunities, then it's probably for me the opportunity to earn more money. It's not like I don't like want the works, it's also that I am excited for the walks also to do. But at the same time, something more exciting also comes, and I get over pressured. So I thought, why is this the pattern? What is this pattern trying to um, teach me? And I thought maybe it's like balancing life, managing more time. But I recently found out, I was just with my thoughts, and just now what came in my mind was that maybe it's not like balancing, maybe it's not like managing time, because you have been doing this long. But maybe it's just to teach you calmness, to be in this moment and just do this work, and the rest of the work I'll handle it. Like, yes, I have to do all the planning of the dresses. Right now I have not done it. It's only 2 days left. I have to do the packing, I have to schedule all my videos, and I have a lot of work to do. But right now, what the thing I'm doing, I can be just calm and be in this moment, and one by one I can handle all the work, and I'll handle it, just to trust myself that yes, I'll handle everything very perfectly. And uh, I can be in this calmness while doing all the work. So maybe it is because I have been trying to manage everything. I in my mind it was like, okay, today I'll do this, today I'll do that, tomorrow I'll do the packing, today I'll plan the dresses. And so, what I was saying, that maybe this is trying to teach me calmness, because I have been learning to balance everything. I was scheduling like, from this, today I'll do this, today I'll do that, tomorrow I'll do this, tomorrow I'll do that. But still, my mind was in the stress mode, because there was a long list of things for me to do in my mind. So, I actually need to be calm and just do one thing at a moment, not think of all the works. Just I can think of what I'm doing in the right moment. To be honest, this thought came to my mind just now, and maybe it is correct that yes, I need to be at peace and be in calm when my life is full. Because when my life is empty, uh, I have less walks, then I am okay, I am very good. But when more things come, then I become over pressurized, then I become stressful. So yes, this uh, situations are only trying to teach me calmness, to be in calm when when my life is full, when I have a lot of things to do, then only I will be more happy, right? I'm not able to be excited also for the trip because I'm like I have to do a lot of things to do. So yeah, so if you find this video, maybe this video is a reminder for you also that just be calm, even if you have so many deadlines, so many responsibilities, so many duties. Just do one thing at a time. Be calm, be at peace, and yeah, you will manage everything very well. Just trust yourself, like I'm trusting myself that yeah, I have 2 days, but I'll manage everything very nicely right now in the moment, because I got this thought of like be calm, being at peace. So that's all. Bye bye.